deployment steps are very similar to that of transit gateway deployment. You first deploy Edge Connect either from Orchestrator, or you deploy Edge Connect manually from AWS dashboard. And then your ECVs will show up here. You go to the AWS Network Manager tab, and these steps are the same. The only difference is that on step 8, you select the core network edge segments instead of the transit gateway route table, which I'm going to show in the next slide. And also on step 10, instead of going to the transit gateway tab on the orchestrator, you go to the core network edge tab to associate the appliance with the core network edge that you want to connect with. So this is the page on the orchestrator where we allow you to select the core network segments. You need to have segments already set up in your core network policy for the orchestrator to see this. In this column, we allow you to select the core network segments that you want to associate with the Edge Connect segments. So here in my Edge Connect, I have these 3 segments: default, prod, and dev. And currently what I'm doing is I'm associating the prod segment on the Edge Connect instance with the prod segment in my Cloud WAN environment. Here I have associated the dev segment to the dev segment in the Cloud WAN environment as well. And then at this point, like similar to the transit gateway attachments that we created earlier, the only difference here is that instead of TGW, we have a core network edge, and everything else is still the same. And here you select the core network edge. These are the core network edges that I have created in my global network. The light gray text indicate the global network name, and underneath we show the core network edges that are created inside that global network. In my case, I have 2 Edge Connects deployed in AWS Milan. So I am selecting my Milan core network edge. And when I click save, Orchestrator will go ahead and start building those LAN-side connections.